What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of You're Icing Wrong, the search for the best sole sauce. The major thing that we're going to be doing today, we'll be comparing the NuLife Antidote up against Salon Care 40 Volume Creme to see which does a better job when it comes to de-yellowing the soles of these kicks. In episode number 3, I tested out NuAntidote against some yellow patent leather. However, patent leather is a very tricky sort of surface, and I didn't necessarily expect that we were going to achieve crazy results. So what I want to do today is test NuAntidote in a little bit more of a traditional icing fashion to see if it can help out with the soles of these Yeezy 350 Cloud Whites. These Cloud Whites belong to my girlfriend Lola, and they are in insanely worn condition. She wears these things on a regular basis, and because of that, they have seen much better days. As you can tell, both the uppers and the soles are insanely dirty at this point in time, and these kicks need a very deep clean. Due to the amount of wear that these sneakers have had, as well as the different surfaces that they've been worn on, there is a ton of yellowing on the soles and the midsoles, and we're going to see what NuAntidote can do to help to clear up that yellowing today. NuAntidote is actually a sneaker cleaner as well. We're going to start this process by cleaning the shoes. The right shoe will be cleaned utilizing the NuAntidote solution, and I'll be cleaning the left shoe utilizing Jason Mark, which is another popular sneaker cleaner on the market. Because NuAntidote is actually both a sneaker cleaner and a de-yellowing agent, I opted to use that on the entire right shoe for the cleaning. For the left shoe, I chose to use Jason Mark, which is another popular sneaker cleaner that I've had good results with in the past. I made sure not to use the NuAntidote on the left shoe because of its de-yellowing properties and the fact that I wanted a strict comparison between the Salon Care 40 and the NuAntidote. Now that I've cleaned off both of these shoes, they're looking a lot cleaner than before, but you can see that they are still pretty severely yellowed. As per usual, I'll be treating the left shoe utilizing Salon Care 40 Volume Creme, and on the right shoe, I'll be using NuLife Kicks NuAntidote. Let's get down to the application of the Salon Care 40 and the NuAntidote. Salon Care 40 can be found on Amazon in 4-ounce containers for $13.89, 16-ounce containers for $14.99, and 32-ounce containers for $26.30. NuAntidote can be found on NuLifeKicks.com in a 10-ounce container for $24.99 or a 32-ounce container for $59.99. One of the cool things about NuAntidote is that you don't need to wrap the shoe in plastic wrap after washing the shoe. All you do is place the shoe underneath a UV source, and that should help to de-yellow the kicks. It makes the setup process very quick, efficient, and easy. At this point in time, these Yeezy 350 Cloud Whites have been in the icebox for 48 hours. Again, the left shoe treated with Salon Care 40 Volume Creme, the right shoe treated with NuLife Kicks NuAntidote. Both of these shoes have unyellowed pretty substantially, and it's actually kind of difficult to point out which one seems like it's de-yellowed a little bit more. If I had to give an advantage, I would say that the left shoe treated with Salon Care 40 Volume Creme is probably a bit more icy than the right shoe, which was treated with the NuAntidote. However, the NuLife Antidote is obviously a lot easier to apply and requires a lot less effort when prepping the shoe for the icing procedure. I'm blown away at how de-yellowed both of these shoes got, and they're looking a lot better than when we first started. I can only imagine what another 48-hour session will do for this pair of kicks. So let's go ahead, we'll apply another layer of Salon Care 40 on the left shoe, some more NuAntidote on the right shoe, and we'll set them in the icebox for another 48-hour session. Like I mentioned before, when utilizing NuAntidote, you actually do not need any sort of plastic wrap over the sole of your shoe before placing it in a UV light. All you need to do is wash your shoes utilizing the NuAntidote, wipe them down, and then place them underneath a UV source and the deyellowing should occur. For the second round, I decided to change things up a little bit and see if the plastic wrap would actually help at all. So I sprayed some NuAntidote directly onto the right shoe, wrapped it up in some plastic wrap without wiping down the NuAntidote, and then placed it into the ice box. After 2 days, I removed my kicks from the ice box, and then I washed them down to make sure that all the excess sauce was gone before we took our final comparisons. These Cloud Whites have officially been in the icebox for another 48 hours, which makes it a total of 2 48-hour sessions as per usual for this series. The results are actually pretty good for both shoes, so why don't we take a closer look and talk about what we're seeing here. Overall, if we have to give an edge to either of the products as far as how much deyellowing it did, I would say that the Salon Care 40 utilized on the left shoe was able to achieve a bit more of a deyellowing effect than the NuLife Kicks NuAntidote. That being said, the NuLife Kicks NuAntidote was able to deyellow the sole of the right shoe in a safe, efficient, and simple fashion, which I think is absolutely amazing. Even though at the end of the day, the Salon Care 40 did a little bit of a better job in helping to deyellow the shoes, there are other considerations that we need to look into when we're utilizing these products. Salon Care 40 is a hydrogen peroxide based solution. Because of the potential of damage to the uppers of the kicks, the midsoles of the kicks, or even the potential for chemical burn, this product is definitely one that you have to utilize with a certain level of precaution. The NuLife Kicks NuAntidote happens to be a very simple to use solution that is both safe and effective and will not damage the uppers of the kicks unless it's a suede or nubuck type of material. And it can also have deoxidation properties with other types of materials. For a non-traditional sauce, it works very, very well. It's so versatile, it's so simple, and it's so effective that basically anybody could use this and get some good results. At the end of the day, which you choose to use comes down to your comfort as well as your application process and the safety precautions that you take. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please take the 10 extra seconds to click the like button as well as the subscribe button. You guys already know that if you do that, it really helps to support this channel and helps me to push out more content like this for you on a regular basis. If you guys have any questions, criticisms, or potentially some suggestions for future videos, make sure to leave them in the comments below so I can check it out, and I will make sure that I respond to each and every one of you. If you're interested in seeing any of the projects that I got going on or any of the inventory that I have for sale, make sure that you check out the website at www.sailboatsupplies.xyz. And you can find me on social media at Sailboat Supplies. I appreciate each and every one of you that stuck around until the cold, bitter end of this video. You guys already know I'm Sailboat, and I'm out of here.